Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this lovely automatic Hyundai i20. This vehicle has 15-inch alloy wheels, the radio has CD player, there's Bluetooth connectivity, air conditioning. The car's done under 21,500 miles. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's using our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or arranging a time to view the vehicle at the dealership. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.